How to delete TikTok search history. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok search history. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the TikTok app, please visit your App Store or your Play Store and check if your TikTok is up to date. If not, just click on update so that you will have the latest features within the app. After you have made sure of that, just open up TikTok right here. And the first thing that we're going to make sure is that you are currently on the home page or on your friend's page. So from your home page, you can click on this magnifying glass at the top right corner. And here you can see all your recent searches. So these are my recent searches right here. And to delete a certain search that you did, just click on this X icon beside that certain word or username that you have searched before. I'm going to click on that and that will remove it from the list. So I'm going to do the same on the friends page right here. Just click on the friends icon and tap on this search bar right here. And you can see the same, see all the recent searches. And if you want to delete the whole TikTok search history all at once, so you can only do this if you have more than 4 recent searches. So if you have more than 1 recent searches, for example, if you're gonna search one again, and that will pop up on my recent searches. So I have like 6 recent searches right here. And if you want to clear that all, I'm gonna do that again. Just click on the search bar again and click on see more right here. After that, you should see this option to clear all. Just click on that and this window will pop up that says all your search history will be deleted and it can't be recovered. So just click on clear if you have finalized that decision, and that will remove all your recent searches and delete your TikTok search history. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.